dozens of meetings every week. I can't remember every single one of them.
When a man lays his cards on the table, trying to make a name, looking for a miracle, looking for something that he does not know, walking the streets and there's nowhere to go. When a man's got to fight to keep on dreaming, and the whole world seems like it's plotting and scheming, laying odds that he's gonna lose, he's gonna need the strength that comes from you. A woman's got the strength, a woman's got the power, keep a man up, never let him down, yeah, yeah.
Tony's helping me win Victor back from Vivian the Witch.
A woman's got the strength,